Alrighty, listen up, you weasels. I'm going to share how I would go from 0 to 20K per month if I had to restart my agency from flat zero, literally nothing, no skills, absolutely no nothing, and scale to 20K a month as fast as humanly possible in 2025 with the new market, the new, economic status, the new trends, the new stuff that's going on. Now, granted, let me center myself real quick here, okay? Two quick things. Number one, this video isn't going to be your just do this and then say this and then you'll be a millionaire. Whoopity do, like those stupid fucking gurus you watch all day long who give no fucking value. I'm actually going to share with you stuff that works. Now, granted, when I share with you stuff that works, it's not going to be sexy, it's not going to be fucking quick and easy, and it ain't going to sit here and blow your mind, okay? Like, it's not going to sit here and I'm not going to pull up some 8,000 different AI new technologies. It's going to be some stuff you might already know, mixed with some new stuff that no one's doing, that no one's talking about, okay? So this will be a bit of a boringer video, if you will, boring presentation, but it will actually make you money. That's the goal, is this will make you money. Now, why can I say this so confidently? Well, I've scaled 3 of my own agencies past 6 figures. I've coached over 600 plus other agency owners to do the exact same, like Yegi, who went from 0 to 12K in 13 days, or Chris, who went from 0 to 10K per month in 2.5 weeks, or Julian, who scaled past 30K a month, or Fujan, who's a fucking 15-year-old kid who scaled past 27K a month, and a lot more, okay? And so I know a thing or two, okay? And so here, I'm going to share with you some sauce. For those of you that are here, because most people, half the people already click off the video right now. So those of you that are here, you're about to get some value, alrighty? You're about to get some value, right? That's what the boys love to talk about. Anyways, let's dive into it. So, you want money, okay? And so in order for us to make money, it's very simple. We need to get a person to give us their money, okay? So this is you. This is you, okay? You. And so all you need is a person to give you their money. It's that simple. Now, how do we do that? Well, typically speaking, is a person gives you money when you have what they want. And so all we have to do is figure out, what do people want in this day and age? I know this sounds stupid and simple, right? But like, once again, this isn't some stupid guru shit to try and sell you a stupid course. Of course, I sell something. You can join my inner circle. Most of you are too stupid to even apply for it, so don't even do it. Just join my free Discord. Hop on free calls with me. I just want to help you out. And for those, the 1% of you that actually have an agency, that actually have money, that want to network with me and go on in-person trips with me and masterminds, you can do that, okay? Anyways, so here's the deal. You got to find what they want. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to do this together. You're going to go with me. You're going to go to ChatGPT, okay? You're going to load this bad boy up, and you're going to go, yo. You're going to say, yo, chat, give me a list of skills that people will pay money for online. Okay? Here's where we go. Let's ask chat what's up. So here we go. Here's a killer list of online skills. Okay, cool. Because the first things first, to make money, okay, like once again, you make money when you have what somebody wants. And so all we gotta do is find the want, okay, and then become a master. Become a master. We want to become the best at what it is we do, okay? So master. And this is exactly what I did to scale my first ever agency past 10K and then another one past 20K. Okay. So here we go. Here are some skills that people are willing to drop their hard-earned cash for. Digital marketing. So Facebook ads, SEO, email marketing, social media management, content creation, copywriting, video editing, graphic design, blog writing, podcast production, tech skills, web development, app development, automation, cybersecurity, AI, ML integration, coaching, consulting. This won't apply for most of you because you have to have experience to do this. So we're going to go down. E-com support, Shopify expert, Amazon FBA coaching, dropshipping guru. What the fuck? Education tutoring, language tutoring, academic tutoring, course creation, creative arts, photography, music, videography. That's actually one of my first ever agencies, was videography. Got paid pretty good for that. Virtual assistant, admin tasks, customer support, etc. So look, there's a list of so many. You can even say, give me more. Give me more. Which one's calling your names fun? Let's turn that into moneymaker, right? So boom, it's going to give you more. Here's what you're going to do, is you're going to find one of these skills that you A, already have, okay, or B, have a lot of interest in. Because we want to find a skill. The reason for this is we want to become good at what we do. Because if we want people to pay us money, we need to offer them something. Here's the problem. In this day and age, everybody's offers suck. Why? It's not because they haven't read $100 million offers. It's not because they can't craft a good offer. It's because their deliverables are terrible because nobody knows what they're actually doing. So to stand out, it's actually not that hard to stand out. But you have to do is become a master, which means you just have to become exceptionally good at one particular thing. So we're going to pick one of these things. Okay, so what I do is pick one of these things. So we'll make like a little checklist down here. So make money checklist. Look at this. Look at me go. So, number 1 is we're going to find skill. Number 2, you're going to become a semi-master. I say semi because you can never become a full master if you haven't worked for anyone. So semi-master at the skill. Okay, so we're going to learn the skill. You're going to learn everything you can. You're going to go on YouTube. You're going to go on ChatGPT. You're going to try and get free trainings, free courses, etc. You're going to try as best you can to become a semi-master of the skill so you know it well. Then 3, you're going to do what I call unscalable value first outreach. And so what this looks like is very simple. Let's say if you are becoming a web designer, okay, let's say you chose your skill as web designer, whatever the case may be. What you would then do is after you found the skill of web design and you've become a semi-master, you become good at web design, what you do is you would now do unscalable value first outreach. And so what this would look like, and also number 4 is you'd make an offer, which is we're going to do free trials. I'll tell you why. Offer free trials. Okay. And so what unscalable value first outreach looks like is if you're a web designer, you would go and find a website. So let's say acquisition.com. And you're like, oh, I want to pitch this guy. Who's acquisition.com? Hermosi. Apparently his page doesn't load. This is definitely spelled improperly. Oh, I know why. Because there's no... I don't edit these videos. So, sorry. Acquisition.com. So you go find some leads, and then let's say you found a website, and you're like, there's some stuff you could do better. Instead of DMing Hermosi and be like, hey Hermosi, you could make your website look better, what you're going to do is you're going to film a loom like this. You're going to do one of 2 things. You're either going to film a loom like this, you're going to be like, hey Hermosi, I love what you're doing. I love your videos. Your content is phenomenal. As you can see, I've watched a million different videos, and show proof, etc. And I love everything you talk about. But here's the problem, man. Your website is shit. And so here's what I've done is I've remade you a new one. Here it is. And I'd show him and I'd give him some tips, advice, etc. You give them value first. Okay. And so that's the first way. The second way is you genuinely just actually help them make something. So for example, let's say if you're doing digital marketing, okay, you're doing ads. So what I would do is I'd go find people in the ad library and I would just go remake their ad and I would send it to them. I'd be like, hey man, I'm a marketing pro. I would literally say like, oh, I'm a Facebook ad expert. I've been doing this stuff for the past 6 months, etc. You can finesse a little here, right? I've been doing this for the past 6 months. I saw your ad and I really liked it, but I thought there's some things that you could tweak to get a better conversion rate. So I made you a new ad. Here you go. I just want to give this to you. No strings attached. If you want me to make more for you, let me know. Otherwise, have fun using this. And you do this unscalable value first approach because what does this do? It separates you from everyone else because everybody wants money fast. Here's the problem with today's society is everybody wants money fast. And so what they do is they do stupid things, right? For example, they have no skill and they try and sell an offer for $5K. And here's what happens is they have too much of an ego and too much pride to work for free, right? Because they're like, oh, I would never work for free. I'm way too good for that, even though I don't even have a skill. Then they're like, no, I need to charge $5K or $1,000 or whatever it is for my offer. Here's what happens. They try and pitch people and everyone says no because they use the same stupid, boring script that everyone else uses. And so no one gives a shit. Like literally no one cares. No one replies. No one hops on calls. No one buys, etc. And you've made no money, right? And so let's just say that 6 months go by and you still have $0 in your bank account. But hey, at least you haven't worked for free, right? At least you have no clients that you're working for free for, right? And so here's the approach I take, and this is what I call the value first approach. This is a model I created, which is called value first, which is where you give value first instead of asking stuff, okay? And so instead of making money fast, which, I mean, as you can tell, this doesn't even work. It doesn't even make you money fast. I call this the get rich slowly fast scheme. And so what this would look like instead is you would do this. You find a skill, you become a master, you do unscalable value first outreach, and you offer free trials. And so what happens now is you do this, and maybe you sign, right, 5 to 10 free trials in the first month, right? So this would be in month 1, okay? And after month 2, because you work with them for free for a month, right? After month 2, let's say you sign 10 of them, half of them leave and say, Stefan, you're no good. Okay, so 5 of them are gone. Now we have 5 clients. But here's the deal. You only work for free for a month. And so now these 5 clients that are happy with the service you gave them because you proved your value to the market are now willing to pay you. And so by month 2, you're now already getting paid. And let's say you charge $1,000 a month times 5 clients, right? Well, you can easily imagine that that would be $5K per month. And so by month 2, we're already making $5K. And so the thing I don't understand by people saying, oh, I don't want to do free trials is like, look at this. Look at this. In month 1, you've made no money, you're working for free, and you have working for 10 clients, right? And in month 1 here, you have 0 clients and $0. Yeah, in month 2 here, you're making $5K a month. In month 2 here, you're still making $0. 0 clients, $0. And so who's really working for free? Because as far as I can tell, this guy ain't making no money for a really long time. So who's actually working for free? This whole free trial thing, the reason why people don't like it is because of their ego. Because they have a big ego and they think, I'm too good to work for free. Hormozy still works for free to this day when he launches a new offer. And so what excuse do you have not to? It is the best and the fastest way to get people to take you up on your offer. And in a world where that's how you make money, do it. Okay? So if we go back to our money-making checklist, our make money checklist, step number 1, to find a skill. Once again, go on ChatGPT. Step number 2 is learn everything you can about that skill and become a semi-master. Step number 3 is start offering this skill to people. Like, literally just go up to any and everyone and offer them the skill for free. Like, hey, I'm really good at this thing. I've been studying it, practicing this shit ton. I know I'm good at this. Okay? Let me do it for you for free. And give them value first. Help them out first. Work for free. Put your ego aside, right? Offering free trials. And then after this, step number 5 is just going to be to convert, okay? Convert your free trials into paying customers. And this is it. This is why I said, like, I'm not going to give you some bullshit guru advice. I'm like, oh, do this. Like, no, this is it. Now, here's the deal. Most people won't do this. The reason why most people won't do this, why? It takes time. It takes effort. You're working for free. And so instead, go back to what you've been doing, because it's been working so great, hasn't it? You've been making so much money doing what you've been doing, right? You've been working for the past 2 years on your SMMA, okay, or whatever agency you run, and you've maybe signed one client who paid you $500 and then churned after a month because you were terrible. But at least you didn't work for free, right? You've worked for 2 years and made nothing. At least when you do this, you get paid after the second month. And you get so many more people to take you up on your offer. And so this is why this works. It's because we live in a day and age where everybody's trying to pitch. Everyone's trying to make money fast. Okay? Everybody's trying to do this and just make money quick. No one's doing this. But here's the deal. People are so skeptical nowadays because everyone's doing this and doing this with no skills. And that's why there's so many scammers in the world. And it's not even intentionally scamming, but people just have no skills anymore, that people aren't getting the results that they are promised, and therefore it feels like a scam. And therefore no one trusts anymore. And so the easiest way to get someone to trust you is not by telling them how good you are, but by showing them. And the best way you can show them is by decreasing all the risk possible on their end to working with you. Okay? So, here's the deal. Some of you may be sitting here, or to be honest, those of you that are here are probably smart because you listened to this all. Most people already left, so credit to you. Okay? But when I say this, I genuinely mean this. I've scaled so many agencies myself. I work with hundreds, at this point over thousands of agency owners. I have a Discord with over 1,000 agency owners in there. I talk to them. I help them every single day. Those that do this and listen make money. Okay? It's that simple. It's really not that complicated to make money online anymore. It just takes a bit of work. And it takes you swallowing your pride and ego a little bit, and you'll make money. The problem is most people can't do that because they think that they're way too good to charge for free. That's also why they're still broke 2 years from now. So pick your poison. But if you can truly follow this and just find a skill, it doesn't even have to be agency, it doesn't have to be marketing, it doesn't have to be web development, it can be whatever it is. It can be tutoring. I even tutored. I get paid like $100 an hour to tutor. Like if I really needed to make money fast, I would just go back to tutoring. I tutored accounting. You make like $100 an hour. You're like, depends. And once again, so how do you make $100 an hour? You target the rich kids. You just go find the parents whose son or daughter is in school but doesn't care about it, that's getting bad grades, that will pay to make their kid pass, and then you just go in there and tutor them, etc. Easy money. Okay. Once again, you got to find a skill. You have to have something to offer the marketplace that is valuable. A lot of people skip this step, and they just try and offer something that doesn't exist. The best way to do this is actually to acquire a skill, because now you separate yourself, because you can actually show people, hey, look, I'm good. I know what I'm talking about. And the best part about this is you can actually give them value first, because now you know what you're talking about and you can show that to them. Okay, so you semi-master this, and then you do the unscalable outreach. Once again, everyone's focusing on scale. Scalability is bullshit. I have a video on this, you can go watch it. But scalability is bullshit. It's a trap. Don't fall for it. It's posted on my second channel. You can go watch it. But it's just bullshit, right? Do the unscalable work. Do the stuff that no one else is willing to do, and guess what? You'll get the results that no one else is willing to get. That's how it works. If I look at my Instagram inbox right now, I have over 60 DMs from there, from everyone just doing these copy and paste bullshit messages. Guess what? I reply to none of them. But when someone sends me a personalized loom or an edited video or something that shows they went out of their way and took time to actually message me, I reply. Why? Because it stands out from the crowd. And so this is what will make you stand out, along with this, because it shows that, hey, I'm willing to put my ego aside. I'm willing to show you how good I am before you have to commit to me. Okay? So, this is it. If I had to go from 0 to, let me do this a little better, 20K per month ASAP, this is what I would do. And once again, I already told you the reason why I would do this is because even though people are like, oh, but you're doing free trials on the front end. If you actually want to make a lot of money as fast as possible, this is the way to do it, because this compounds. This doesn't. 6 months from now, here's the deal. Maybe you do sign one client for 5K. Okay, cool. By month 6, you make 5K. But using this model, by month 2, you've already made 5K. And so look how much faster you operate when you offer free trials. Let alone by month 6, you're at 20K per month. And all you had to do was work for free for one month for 5 clients, and then a couple more times for 15 more clients over the next 5 months. You're telling me you wouldn't do this if you knew you'd make 20K? I would. Simple as that. So that's it. That's everything. Like I said at the very beginning of this video, if you are someone who wants to grow an agency and network with other cool people, I've made the best community on planet Earth to do just that. It's called the Wolf Pack. It is only for people who are winners and action takers. Okay, you can join that. And if you want to be part of something more special, where you meet with me and my boys every single day, and you want to be part of the inner circle, the real Wolf Pack, then you can apply to join my inner circle, where we also have in-person masterminds and a lot of other cool stuff you can get access to. But once again, I don't give a shit. Do whatever you want. I've made enough money over the past couple of years. I'll live for the next 5-10 years, even if I made no more money. So I don't need your money. I just want to help you out. And if that results in you giving me your money, then so be it. Okay? But once again, I don't view that as bad. I view that as helping. And if that helps you, then great. Anyways, that's all I got. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. Have an amazing day. Have a phenomenal day. Go crush it. Go win. Do what you got to do, bro. Become the best version of yourself. You owe it to yourself to be great. If you don't owe it to yourself, fine. Owe it to your mom, to your dad, to your brother, to your sister, to your uncle, to your little version of you, to your future wife, kids, etc. Do it for them. Peace.